if you read the previous page, you should know the answer to all these questions. A construction is art done in geometry. Name the only two instruments we use in construction: a straight edge and a compass. The Greek mathematician and philosopher Plato limited constructions to these instruments: a straight edge and a compass. A straight edge is used to draw a line through the given points. The compass is used to draw circles or arcs. Okay, now here what they want you to do is they want you to copy this line here on this ray or on this line. And the way you do that is you start off, grab your compass, get it ready, and you're going to put your needle of your compass on M. And you're going to open up your compass until you get to N. Once you open up your compass until you get to N, the pencil part should be here, and the needle part should be here. You're going to draw an arc. Okay? Then you're going to put your needle here. Do not move the measurement of your compass. Leave the compass the way it is. You're going to put your needle here, and you're going to draw an arc. Now the segment from here to here is congruent to the segment from here to here, from NMN. Let's call this DE. We'll call this segment DE because remember alphabetical order. So what comes after DE? So we call it DE. Okay, here they want you to construct WX congruent to OP. Remember, congruent means the same length or the same measurement or the same segment. So you're going to put your needle here. Then since this line is bigger, that means you're going to close your compass a little bit until the pencil mark reaches the P. So put your needle here, then the pencil mark is going to reach the P. Once you do that, you're going to strike your arc. Then you're going to draw a point here, let's call it point A. And then you're going to, without moving your compass, you're going to put your needle here and then strike an arc. And that's going to be AB. So now this segment is congruent to this segment here, if you did everything correctly. Don't forget to just draw your point. You draw your point arbitrarily, like you just draw a point wherever. Make sure that you draw it close enough to the end of the line so that you have enough room to make your segment, right? In other words, if you were to put the point here and then put your needle here and then draw an arc up here, over here, then you wouldn't have enough line. You see, you run out of line. So make sure that you put your point, you start off by putting your point to close to the end of the line so that when you put your needle here and you strike your arc will still be on the line. Construct AD congruent to JK. Well, don't forget to put your little dot there. Oh, here they wanted you to label this W. I called it A. Here they want you to label it A. So you put your dot, label it A, and then you measure from here to here with your compass. The way you do that again is you put your needle here, open up your compass till you get the pencil part to the K, and then you strike an arc. Without moving the compass, you put the needle on A, you strike another arc. And that segment should be congruent, and we're going to call it AD. That segment should be congruent to this segment here. Okay, here they want you to construct CD, so you start off by putting a dot, put C, then you put your needle here, open up your compass to where the pencil ends up on point B, and then you strike your little arc, and there you have it. CD is congruent to AB. Okay? Construct BC, congruent to XY. Again, you start off by putting your dot, you label it B, then you put your needle here, open up your compass till you get to Y, you move your needle over to B, and then you strike your arc. And this segment here, which we're going to call BC, oops, not BD, BC is going to be congruent to this segment here.